Hello, welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. And if you're not, thank you so much for being a loyal subscriber and leaving your comments. It really does mean so much to me. And please remember to click the thumbs up button for me. And yeah, it's been another stressful day, but I'm getting it together here. I am, as you see, I don't have much makeup on. I got these. I know some of you really liked the 50 Kisses. I can't remember what color it was that I did. I will have to look in the video, but I ordered the other 4 here so I could show you the other 4 colors. And I will decide which one to put on, and of course that it will depend on which one I put on as to which of my my lip liners. I have my Gerard Cosmetics. These have become probably my favorite lip liners. I haven't even looked. Do they make eye pencils? I need to look and see. I don't think I can't remember if I looked to see if they made eye pencils or not, but I'll have to look and see, because eye pencils that are that smooth are really nice. So this first color I have, I cannot read that. I took the box. Is it Ravishing Pink? I think is the name of that. Ravishing Pink. Let me make sure. Yep, that's not any of those. So this is the first one, and I think this was probably be my favorite one. See the doe foot on it there. I will swatch it right here. And yeah, I like that color. So that's the Ravishing. I think that says, no, Rose. Ravishing Rose. It is super tiny on the bottom, and I accidentally threw the box away. That probably would have been brighter. I mean bigger. Oh, that's pretty. Ooh, I like this one, Ruby Romance. That one might be my new favorite. Look how pretty. Yeah, I like this. Ooh, I like that. Looky there. There's that one. I like that one. And then I did the Pink Pucker. Oh, that one's really pretty too. Look at that. Well, I don't know. Every one I opened I think might be prettier than the one before. Except the last one. I bought the pink because these were only like $3 or $4 each. And I wanted to try. I really think that might be my favorite. I wanted to see about trying to do an ombre type look, so I went ahead and bought this pink since it was so cheap, but I don't think this alone would be a color I would use. Well, it's not too bad, but I was just thinking it might be some type of ombre would use. I was actually thinking, looking at the paper, online, that this color would be pretty, just a tad bit mixed in with that one, but I don't know. So let's see. I think I'll try that one. If I remember which one that one was. I think it was this one. Which one is this one? The Pink Pucker. I don't really look too pink to me, does it? It looks more red to me. See? I am doing my makeup, And then I'm going to do some boxes, hopefully tonight. I planned on it last night and it didn't work out. I was just able to try out my new brushes, and then things just happened and I didn't get to go any further than that. So hopefully tonight works out where I think those would look really good together, don't they? Let's try that. So hopefully tonight I can get at least to the point of getting a couple videos done so that maybe by Monday things will be better and I can do more. I'm sorry, I've got my mirror here and I'm trying to put it over here as best I can, but so what are y'all doing for your weekend? I guess I have to make sure I get this posted while it's still a weekend, since I'm asking you about your weekend. I will probably try to get the videos about the I'm trying to see. Oh, this is Immortal. That's what color this is. The videos about the unboxings. I'm sorry, I hate not being able to talk to y'all and leaving you just stranded without me saying anything, but it's kind of hard to put lip liner on and talk. Yeah, I'm sure if you're watching this, you like makeup, so you probably already know how hard it is to put lip liner on while talking. I just wanted to show you the 4 colors. The other one, and I cannot remember the name of it. It was a pretty color, but I wanted to get the other 4 that they had and show you. And I liked the formula. There's that color. I know some people say they don't really like the formula because it can be drying. And I really don't usually like a real drying formula. I usually prefer lip gloss because I don't really like a drying formula, but I like these. It is a bit hot in here. I apologize, but I just can't seem to get the temperature just right. I turn it down a notch and then it feels cold, and I turn it up and it feels hot again, but I'm trying to let that dry just a little bit so I can show you. I think it's pretty dry. I wanted to show you on this how it does not come off. It does not come off at all. So again, I used the the Immortal. Yeah, Immortal Gerard Cosmetic lip liner, and this was the 50 Kisses lip locking lip color, the Laura Geller in Pink Pucker. And then that was the Love Blush, the real pinky one. And this one was Ruby Romance. I like this one too. And this one was Ravishing Rose. So that was the 4 that I got from the, not the pop-up, the Boxy, the, was it add-on last month, yeah. So there are the 4 I got, and there's the swatches. I guess they do come off a little bit on my arm, but not on my lips. So thank you so much for watching. I am going to do a video now. I'm going to try out this new eyeshadow palette, and then I'm going to try to get my boxes done. I know my hair looks a bit odd. I did my roots today, and it seems like anytime I do my roots, my hair's kind of lifeless for a day or so, but I mean, I think it's okay. Especially, I mean, I always do my own hair, so it saves a lot of money. Y'all know when you got really long hair, it costs lots of money to have them do your hair. I don't even remember last time I went, my hair was maybe half this length, and I'm thinking it was like $105. And I really did not like what they did to my hair. They really kind of fried it, and I have never fried my hair. I've been doing my own hair for maybe 15 years, and I have never fried it. And I have went from dark to blonde to red to a burgundy, but I've kept it this color for about 8 years. I kind of like it like this. I really liked the burgundy too. I keep thinking about going back to it, but I'll just keep it like this for now. So thank you all so much for watching. I love you guys. I will see you soon. Bye-bye.